Assalamu alaikum wa marhaban bil jamia. Welcome back to the Darija playlist word of the day. And today's word is, well, it's actually an expression that has three words. Lyardalik. So Allah means God. Yarda means pleased or satisfied. And finally, the word alik is a preposition meaning on you or with you. Let's say it again. Allah yarda alik. Literally means may God be pleased with you. But in Moroccan Arabic, it used to mean something different. It means please, right? Or I'm begging you. It also means, hey, I'm asking you kindly. Or sometimes even, please do me a favor. So you would use this expression when you are asking someone to do a favor for you or when you need help. Let's see some examples. الله يرضى عليك كاس ديال الماء. الله يرضى عليك كاس ديال الماء. Please give me a cup of water. Last example. الله يرضى عليك شد الباب. الله يرضى عليك شد الباب. And this one means please close the door. Yeah, so you're going to hear these expressions from parents, grandparents, or maybe friends with each other. I would say it is used more in informal situations, right? With friends and people you already know. Usually in formal situations or with people you don't know, Moroccans usually use the expression afek. So practice this expression with your Moroccan friends and you will sound extra Moroccan. Until I see you again, goodbye for now. Salam alaikum.